Veganize it. That's the message today. Veganize any meal that you normally have. Simply use vegan ingredients. Today we're looking at some oatmeal. This was made with some water, some oats, ground up chia seeds and ground up flax seeds mixed in, as well as tiny bits of banana for some sweetness and tiny bits of strawberries. After that, all I did is decorate the entire thing on top. Let's look at what we have. On the left here, we have some pumpkin seeds. Look how beautiful they are. It's so easy to decorate. Play with your food. Make it fun. Here we have some almonds, high nutrition. All of these foods are just great for you. They're whole foods. Nothing added, nothing taken away. Some raisins here. The only thing taken away there is some water. But look, these are yummy and delicious. And they also add some sweetness. We also have some walnuts. If you're allergic to walnuts, well, just use another type of nut. And if you're allergic to all nuts, that's not an excuse to not be vegan. Anybody can be vegan. You can just use something else or no nuts at all. Add a different type of fruit or some other type of seed. Here we have some more strawberries and some more bananas on top just to decorate. Let's have a quick look at the table here to see what we can learn. This message says, eat chickpeas, not chickens. See, chickens are some of the most abused animals on the planet. They're kept in tight, confined spaces. And even if they're so-called free range, they are still part of a cycle of violence that involves the egg industry. No animals should die. It's our responsibility to protect all animals. So instead of eating chickens, go and buy yourself a can of chickpeas and let the animals live. Here I wrote eat flax seeds, which is something that is already in here. Very nutritious. When was the last time you made a smoothie? Did you know how easy it is? Make sure you pack in there some spinach. That gives you some extra iron. Also, Google vegan athletes. There's plenty of them. In case you think that it's not healthy to be vegan, well, you're wrong. It can be 100% healthy. I just got back all my blood work and it's all perfectly fine. Learn to love vegetables. They didn't have to die for you. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Snack on pumpkin seeds. Well, that's what these are. Eat blueberries. Well, I could have put some blueberries in here, but at some point the bowl just gets too full. You can replace any of these fruits with any other fruit, anytime that you want to. Hug a vegan. Why should you hug a vegan? Because vegans try so hard to improve the world. They really do care beyond themselves. Veganism is about helping the animals. Why hurt those who are trying to help the animals? Help us to save them. Join us. Eat Brazil nuts. Why not? Any kind of nut. Serve watermelon. Love animals. Yum! Yum! Wow, yeah. Do you know what AQUAFABA is? AQUAFABA is an interesting liquid. It's the liquid that comes in a can of chickpeas. All you can do is just drain it out and whip it up and it comes out into this wonderful meringue type consistency, all fluffy and white. Google it and you'll see what I mean. There's so many recipes on the internet about AQUAFABA. There's actually an entire Facebook group dedicated to AQUAFABA. Here's one that says, be the change you want to see in the world. Be vegan. Why not? If you can be vegan, why not choose that? Just trying to move some objects here to show you. Oh my goodness, this was dirty from when my granddaughter came over yesterday. I'm gonna have to clean that. Be the change you want to see in this world. And eat a pear. Eat oats. Let's make vegan cheese. You can make vegan cheese with cashews. That's another thing that you can check out on the internet. Just Google vegan cheese. Protect all animals. Don't just protect dogs and cats. Also protect chickens and pigs, cows, lambs, turkeys, chickens. Don't hurt any animals. Be kind to them. For support, you can join a vegan Facebook group for recipes and to make new friends. One that I suggest is called What Broke Vegans Eat. It's a great fun group where you can learn all about different recipes, and it's actually really neat because people get quite creative there. A warning, that's not a health group. It's just for vegan food. So it's not necessarily all going to be the most nutritious, but it's a fun group to learn from. Remember that you can eat tofu, rice, kidney beans, lentils, dates, smoothies, nuts, and seeds. Also, If it's not your mother, it's not your milk. So don't drink cow's milk. Cow's milk comes from stolen milk. It's stolen from other cows. It's stolen from babies. Drink other milks. Why steal things? If you don't believe in stealing, then don't steal from the animals. Should I eat animals? No, of course not. Eat anything else. Animals are here on the planet with us. They're not for us. They are sentient beings. Animals are friends, not food. Eat fruit, not fish. Should I be kind? Yes, be kind to the animals. Protect them. When you're in the store, put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. Animals deserve our love and protection. In fact, animals deserve a Bill of Rights. We shouldn't be hurting them. We should be protecting them from harm. Don't eat cows. Don't eat cats. Now, there's always somebody in the comments section who says, well, we don't eat cats. But yes, in different places of the world, they eat cats and they eat dogs. But what's the difference? They would look at you and say, well, why do you eat cows and chickens and pigs? There's no difference. Don't hurt any animals. Be kind and be vegan. And start now. Coming up on the screen, you're going to see a whole bunch of other videos. Have a look at them. Be curious. If you haven't seen them yet, check them out. And also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet done so. Simply click on the subscribe button, and also you can click on the notification button. Then you'll always get the new videos. Love vegans. They try so hard to do the right thing. Vegans care about the animals, the planet, and amazingly, when you care about the planet and the animals, you also benefit yourself because it's also great for your own health. Be vegan and hang out with me if you're not yet. You'll learn how. It's really not that hard, and you will feel better. The best thing about being vegan is you are no longer a hypocrite. Thank you so much for thinking about the animals and trying to help the best way that you can. Bye for now.